Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the beats and unplug the cable so nothing shorts. Use a soft surface to work on, this prevents scratches. Gently twist and pull each ear pad straight off. There's a retaining lip, feel for it. Once the pads are off, place them on the cloth and separate left from right. Get your microfiber, a small bowl with 70% isopropyl, cotton swabs, and a toothpick ready so you can move directly into cleaning without interruption. You now clean the removable pads. Slightly dampen the microfiber, do not soak, then wipe both sides to lift oils and dirt. For seams and the fabric mesh, dip a cotton swab in 70% isopropyl and roll it gently. This disinfects and evaporates fast. If adhesive or grime clings, use a toothpick at a shallow angle to loosen it, then follow with a dry swab. Make sure to clean the cup rims and crevices. Trapped dirt causes. Once cleaned, air dry the pads flat for 30 to 60 minutes. Do not use heat or direct sun because the foam and glue can warp. When dry, align each pad's lip with the headphone cup and press evenly until you feel a secure seating. After reassembly, test playback and microphone at low volume, then normal volume to confirm no distortion. If sound is muffled or buttons fail, check for residual debris in the cup, inspect connectors, and reseat pads. That single tip solves most reassembly issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.